In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a meeting with a code in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're joining an important business meeting or catching up with friends, following these steps will make it easy to jump right in. So let's get started. First, you'll want to make sure you have Microsoft Teams open. If you haven't already signed in, you'll need to do that first. Just look for the sign in button and use your login credentials to access your account. Once you're in, you should see the Teams interface with various options available to you. Next, let's focus on the Meet button, a central feature for connecting with others. When you click on Meet, you'll be presented with a few different options. Here, we're interested in the Join with a Meeting ID option, which allows you to use a unique code to enter a specific meeting. This is a handy tool if you don't have a direct calendar invite or link to follow. After selecting Join with a Meeting ID, you will be prompted to enter the meeting ID provided to you by the meeting organizer. It's crucial to have this ID handy, as it's essentially your ticket into the virtual meeting room. Once entered, you'll hit the Enter key or click Next to proceed. The next screen will ask for a passcode. Sometimes meetings have this extra layer of security, so you'll need to type in the meeting passcode. Like the meeting ID, this passcode should be given to you by the person organizing the meeting. Make sure to enter it carefully, paying attention to any case sensitivity, as this will ensure you're able to join without any hiccups. Now, with both the meeting ID and passcode entered, it's time to officially join the meeting. You'll see a Join Meeting button appear once all the required information is typed in correctly. Simply click this button and you will be connected to the meeting. Once inside, take a moment to check your audio and video settings to ensure you're all set up to participate fully. In summary, joining a Microsoft Teams meeting with a code is straightforward when you know what steps to follow. From signing in to clicking join, each step plays a crucial part in ensuring smooth entry into your meeting. With these instructions, you should be ready to participate in any meeting that comes your way, efficiently and confidently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you stay connected through Microsoft Teams.